Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can create AI Pixar style movie posters. Okay, so you want to go onto Google and you want to type Bing AI image generator. Then you'll see this result, image creator by Microsoft Designer. Okay, you want to click on that. It'll take you here and says create images from words with AI. So what you need to type in here is create a Pixar style movie poster about and then you want to put in your basically your prompt. Okay, so I'm going to write a troll face meme and the movie is titled let's go for Up. Okay, then I'm going to click here and click on join and create. So basically I might have to create an account right now, so go to sign in options. So basically I'm just going to sign in real quick. Okay, so now it's generating that image after I have successfully signed in, and basically it says creating right here. You do have credits that you can use. It says create images more quickly with boosts. Okay, if you run out, image generation may take longer. Okay, so you can use these boosts to be able to make the process a lot quicker, but I'm just going to wait for this to complete and then we'll see. Okay, so for some reason it's taking quite long. I will try again later, but basically this is the prompt you want to use. Create a Pixar style movie poster about and then whatever you want to create the poster about, and then just simply put in a movie title and then you'll get your image created. And I might pop it up on the screen once that's done. But that's it. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.